Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the camcorders in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent items, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Best overall, Panasonic X2000. The Panasonic HC-X2000 is the best camcorder out there right now. From 4K image quality at 60 frames per second to 24x optical zoom, this does it all. You can enjoy relatively easy use with the removable handle, which comes with a handy LED light that's diffused for a professional lighting finish, even in a rush. You can also get 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization, meaning this is a very forgiving camera even for those newer to this level of quality. The 1/2.5 MOS sensor works with a Leica Dicomer lens for optical quality. There is a microphone attachment option in the handle, and 2 XLR Pro mic inputs when it comes to audio. You'll also get dual SD cards for continuous recording and a 3.5-inch color touchscreen to view and control recordings. Expect impressive details with true-to-life color from this 18.9 megapixel camcorder that comes in at 3.31 pounds, which isn't bad when you consider all that this semi-pro video camera offers. Not cheap, but this justifies every cent it's worth. Best budget, Canon Vixia HF-R80. Are you looking for a budget camcorder that is easy to use? Then you can't go wrong with the Canon Vixia HF-R80. For almost half of the price of its professional competitors, you get a camcorder that can record 1080p videos at up to 60 frames per second with incredible realism. The Vixia HF-R80's biggest USP is the camcorder's huge 57x advanced zoom that gets you the shot you want from virtually anywhere. With the Super Range optical image stabilizer, video is clear and steady, even while zooming in from a distance. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, which is a rarity in camcorders of the same price range, so it enables you to live stream, share images, and control the device remotely. It features a 3-inch capacity touch panel LCD screen that's bright and visible, even outdoors in the sun, with rich, natural color reproduction. Its streamlined user interface makes choosing focal points, tracking moving subjects, shooting, and watching your videos easy and fun. Best professional, Sony HXR NX80. The Sony NX Cam HXR NX80 offers all the features you want and need out of a camcorder. From hybrid autofocus to hybrid log gamma, the NX80 is feature-rich, shooting up to 960 frames per second in slow and quick mode, and up to 120 frames per second in HD. It shoots up to 100 megabits per second in ultra-high definition 4K, and offers S-Log3, S-Gamut3 picture profiles. With its 1-inch Exmor CMOS sensor, you get a 12 times optical zoom that captures dual SD card slots. If you are used to camcorders with a large form factor, the NX80 will seem small. The cool thing is that, although it is small, it is built well and doesn't feel cheap. Include the long list of features, and the NX80 is pretty impressive. The NX80 has a dual SD card slot, and you can use to either extend your record time or record proxies simultaneously. Another function connected to the dual card slots is to arm the 2 record buttons to record to different card slots. Best heavy duty, GoPro Hero 10 Black. You cannot think of a modern camcorder without the world's premier action camera company, GoPro. The GoPro Hero 10 Black might be pocket-sized, but it punches above its weight when it comes to performance. Whether it is a snowstorm, heavy rain, or a deep adventure underwater, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is built to survive every possible situation so that you can enjoy your adventures rather than having to worry about ruining your camcorder. It has a maximum depth rating of 33 feet, an accomplishment that only a few other camcorders can beat. The new GP2 processor powers it, and the Hero 10 Black shoots crisp 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, and slow-motion videos in 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. It also boasts 23 megapixel high-resolution photos, enhanced low-light performance, and the revolutionary HyperSmooth 4.0 video stabilization in all modes, for effortlessly silky smooth videos. On top of all that, GoPro Hero 10 Black is cloud connected. Footage automatically syncs to the cloud while the device recharges. Best streaming, Sony FDR-A X53B. Another high-quality camcorder by Sony on this list is the FDR-AX53. Its 16.6 megapixel Exmor R sensor and a ZEISS Vario Sonar T lens will help you record 4K videos in superb clarity for your YouTube channel or stream. Its wide-angle lens and rapid autofocus also improve the field of view and let you shoot videos with minimal noise. The new and improved night shot mode ensures that all videos are crystal clear and vibrant regardless of the lighting conditions. Overall, the Sony FDR AX53 is an excellent option for those looking for an easy-to-use camcorder. It comes with additional features such as noise cancellation, one-touch sharing, dual video recording, and more that make the entire videography process a lot easier.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.